Good morning friends, myself Niranjan Naik. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 7th March. Today in a regular GK series, Today in History, we shall recall some of the memorable events happened on 7th March in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon nearby so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Let's start today's session of questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Indian independence activist died on this day in 1961, was Chief Minister of United Provinces from 1937 to 1939, and as a Home Minister whose chief achievement was the reorganization of states based on languages? Answer. Govind Ballabh Pant. Question number 2. Which Indian cricketer became the first cricketer to make 10,000 runs in Test cricket on this day in 1987? Answer. Sunil Gavaskar. Question number 3. Which Indian writer, poet and novelist born on this day in 1911 was founding editor of Newsweekly Dinaman and editor-in-chief of Hindi Daily Navabharat Times? Answer. Sachidanand Hiranand Vatsyayan. Now I am reading one of his famous quote. कोई भी मार्ग छोड़ा जा सकता है, बदला जा सकता है, पथभ्रष्ट होना कुछ भी नहीं होता अगर लक्ष्यभ्रष्ट न हुए. Question number 4. Which Indian actor born in Kashmir Pandit family on this day in 1955 holds the record of winning Filmfare Award for the Best Comedian, and he has won Filmfare Award for Best Actor for his performance in Saransh, and has also appeared in international films like Bend It Like Beckham, Silver Linings Playback? Answer. Anupam Kher. Question number 5. Which Bangladeshi politician had called for the liberation of Bangladesh on this day in 1971, who is known as Father of Nation in Bangladesh? Answer. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. He is also known as Bangabandhu. Question number 6. Which inventor from St. Louis, Missouri of United States received patent for the sewing machine on this day in 1854? Answer. Charles Miller. Question number 7. Which American boxer nicknamed Kid Dynamite achieved the World Boxing Championship belt at the age of 20 years 4 months 22 days on this day in 1987, holds the record as the youngest boxer to win a heavyweight title? Answer. Mike Tyson. Question number 8. Which American pilot became the first pilot to travel over 1 million miles in jet airplanes on this day in 1959? Answer. Melvin C. Garlow. Question number 9. Which Scottish scientist invented telephone on this day in 1875 and also received the patent on the same day in 1876 for his invention telephone? Answer. Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 10. Which telescope was launched by NASA to space from Cape Canaveral, Florida on this day in 2009 to discover Earth-sized planets orbiting other stars? Answer. Kepler. Friends, thanks for viewing this video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.